Business has made good use of technology to drive productivity. Many companies implement quality management processes that monitor every beat of their operation. They expend tremendous resources to ensure that managers are fully prepared in a wide range of quality management techniques and methodology. Government also implements these standards as well in the military, in civil engineering, building codes, regulations for travel, food and drugs. The list is really impressive. But here is the irony. We find a surprising lack of quality management in public policy making. Think of it. The US government operates one of the most extensive operations in the world with the highest quality equipment and resources available. And yet, our leaders in Washington and every state capital in the nation often ignore quality management to help them reduce cost and increase productivity at the smallest and simplest level. If voters demanded quality, the leaders would change their behavior. The result would be like night and day. We'd eliminate budget deficits quickly, invigorate the economy, all at the same time and without budget sequesters, austerity measures, or huge tax increases. Again, I ask, why not make quality everyone's business?